Right, in this match here, we're obviously in a Tier 8 match. There's a lot of Tier 8s on the other side. I don't even see a 7. Oh, there's a Colorado. Okay, so we're going to have to play very passive on this. There's a lot of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 battleships. So our focus of this game is going to be just like lighting them on fire, hiding around these islands here, and see what we can spark up and let the main fleet, all those battleships there. We're going to let them take most of the damage, because I'm not going to be able to take many salvos from all those BBs there. Always try to stay closer with your fleet too, though. It really helps with AA. Yeah, and that way too, your other team will know what you're shooting at. Hopefully this battleship behind me doesn't go too far out to the left side here, but who knows? We'll see. So I like to start right here. Now I'll be able to shoot right over this island. Oh, that's not close enough. I'll be able to shoot right over that though. Watch. Oh, maybe not. Not that time. Oops, my bad.
Our team captured the area.
Oh, that carrier's coming straight up here too. Okay, undetected.
Enemy aircraft incoming.
Fuck you, airplanes.
Enemy aircraft incoming. Situation is under control. Enemy team captured the area.
See, he wasn't quite in my range yet, but I've seen that he was gonna get there by the time my shots landed. Should happen again. This team isn't looking very good at all. I don't know what I'm gonna do here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna focus on this battleship. I'm gonna move towards the west and the south. Let's see if I can take a little swipe in this cap. Yes, I know. Capture the target area and numpties. What, am I going to be the only one in here? Yeah, I am going to be the only one in here too. Nice. Okay, I might be able to cap this.
Target hit! Enemy aircraft incoming! Anti-aircraft gun on full alert! Nice shot! All right! We're taking on water! Enemy aircraft incoming!
So yeah, now I'm going to try and hold this base as much as I can. Use this rock for cover. There we go, Mr. Hipper. Now I'm going to move right in on you, actually. Bye-bye. Alright, now, okay, the next guy is the next guy closest to the cap, I find, is the best one to attack, because he's the most threat, the one that's going to come in and maybe take this cap away from us, but he's also singled out next to that carrier, so it's a good idea to push in on him.
Good job!
And he's backing up now.
We hit the enemy! Enemy aircraft incoming!
Oh.
Anti-aircraft gun on full alert. Target hit. Enemy aircraft incoming. Good job.
Yeah, always try.
We hit the enemy.
I know it's everyone pretty much got a hard on for killing these CVs, but honest to God, unless you can take them out very early and it's a target of opportunity, don't even bother. Take out the ships that can kill you.
The ship is on fire. We're hit. Nice shot. Enemy aircraft incoming. Good shot. We hit the enemy. We're hit. Target hit.
Yeah, and that's pretty much the game. Yeah, you always got to pay attention to your situational awareness on here. You see, like, I only got 22 seconds left, so I'm not going to be able to get a shot anywhere. Maybe on that guy. Maybe. But I doubt it. But yeah, always pay attention to where your fleet's going, where the other team is, and take the targets of opportunity. If there's a ship that's singled out, take out that guy.
Nice move.
Let's see how I fared in this one. Those Enterprises are beasts. You see them MVP a lot. It's probably second place again. Yep. Oh, 109. Holy Christ. Okay. Yeah, that's video number 2. Hopefully this is helping you guys.